If you want to quickly align text in Microsoft Word, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you're formatting an essay, a report, a letter, or any other document, knowing how to align text properly can make your work look cleaner, more professional, and much easier to read. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. You can use an existing file or create a new blank document if you want to follow along from scratch. Once your document is open, the next step is to select the text you want to align. You can click and drag your mouse over a sentence, a paragraph, or even multiple paragraphs depending on what you want to format. If you want to align the entire document, you can use Ctrl+A to select everything at once. After your text is selected, go up to the Home tab at the top of Word. This is where most of your basic formatting tools are located, including font settings, spacing options, and paragraph alignment. Once you're on the Home tab, look for the Paragraph group. This is where you'll find all the alignment buttons you need. In the Paragraph section, you'll see 4 main alignment options. The first is Align Left, which lines your text up along the left side of the page. This is one of the most common alignment styles and is usually the default in Word. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+L to do this instantly. Next is Center, which places your selected text in the middle of the page. This is often used for titles, headings, or short pieces of text that need a balanced look. The keyboard shortcut for this is Ctrl+E. The third option is Align Right. This moves your text so it lines up along the right margin. This can be useful for certain design layouts, signatures, dates, or special formatting. To do this quickly, you can press Ctrl+R. The last option is Justify. This alignment stretches the text so both the left and right edges are evenly lined up. It gives your document a very polished, professional appearance and is commonly used in articles, formal documents, and print layouts. The shortcut for Justify is Ctrl+J. To apply any of these options, simply click the alignment button that matches the style you want. As soon as you click it, Word will automatically align the selected text. You can repeat the process anytime you want to change the alignment again. If you're formatting different parts of your document, just select the new text and choose a different alignment option. A quick tip: if you're working on a longer document, it's usually better to align headings and body text differently depending on the layout. For example, you might center a title, left align the main content, and justify paragraphs for a more formal look. The key is to use alignment in a way that improves readability and keeps your document consistent. And that's it. You've now learned how to align text in Microsoft Word using the Home tab and the Paragraph group. It's a simple skill, but it makes a big difference in the way your documents look. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.